If you own a Can-Am, a side-by-side, or a golf cart, you already know. Cup holders were not made for real water bottles or your phone. You take a turn, a sharp curve, and your phone is going to go flying off. My big bottles never even fit inside these cup holders. They tip over, they spill, they roll around. So we went ahead and purchased this cup holder expander, and let us tell you, this thing works. First, we're going to put it here on the side by side, and this thing can hold a big bottle. This can hold one of those YETI chugger ramblers, and it'll also hold your phone. You just simply put it in and twist, and it's secure in there. Now, this can hold one phone and one drink. So my advice to you would be go ahead and get two, and that way both of your cup holders are able to hold any size drink and a phone. This is something we wish we would have gotten sooner out of all the times that things have spilled or tipped over or fallen, because these cup holders that were manufacturally made just don't hold the right size bottles or cups. And of course, none of them come with the phone holder. So this is just a great invention. We wish that we would have gotten this sooner. And obviously, we're going to go ahead and order more. So we've got two for each.